The center, as we call it, so the Central Kitchen Education Center Instructional Garden, has been in the works for over 10 years, and it's both a facility and an initiative. So it houses the central kitchen for the district where the school food is made and delivered to all of the 80 school sites in Oakland. And it's also the home of an education center where we're focused on environment, food, and garden programming. We also support all of the schools in the district to do this type of programming at their school sites.
So Harvest of the Month is a program where we partner with small farms in the area that bring us seasonal fruits and vegetables fresh to our produce bars at all of the schools in Oakland Unified.
We have 97 environment food garden champions at 82 schools. They have the capacity to order Harvest of the Month taste test produce boxes through our greenhouse program, and those are used for taste tests with the students, for cooking, for education, and we can also offer educational resources, plants and seeds to then grow them in their school gardens so they can see produce from seed to table.
We're really focused on, of course, access to healthy food, especially fruits and vegetables, and kind of the connections between growing the food in the garden, eating them in the school lunch, or other opportunities. Our focus is on the education piece of that, the caring of the spaces, connecting to our bigger food system, and connecting to the Oakland community as well.
We work really hard and somewhat successfully in creating a community where people feel valued, they want to come together, they want to learn, and they can really come together and feel like they're in a community of colleagues that are holding the same values and ethos and passions that they do.
The opportunity to be in a space that was specifically designed to give students the opportunity to learn about touch food, learn about where it's coming from, have the opportunity to make part of their lunch. And many students come here and have never done something like that before. So it's really amazing to watch and see them learn that they can help make a tortilla or a salad, and that it's something they can carry with them.
The fact that we've been able to grow to a really comprehensive program that is reaching the entire district, I'm very proud about that. The fact that the school gardens are growing, the fact that the kids have their hands in the dirt, that we're able to round out some of the hard edges and to provide joy in the form of food, in the form of plants, in the form of healthy food that's picked right from the soil. It's the small things that do matter, It's the joy on the kids' face when they come. It's a quote from a person saying that my work is really hard and this is what keeps me here.